Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the financial statements without adjustments. Earlier I informed you regarding the different items belongs to the trading and profit and loss account. And now today I will tell you the disclosure of the specimen as well as the details of the closing entry. Now you may see this is the specimen of the trading and profit and loss account. You may say this is an account. So when you are preparing the trading account, the first half is leading to the trading account and then it is continued and followed by the profit and loss account of a one particular year. You may see the expenses and losses are listed here, but in place of this, you may have to write down here the particulars. Amount, then particulars means revenue and gains, then amount. On the debit side, you may see the items are listed as I have already discussed. Now, how will you pass the entries if the need of the closing entries? At the top, we have the trading accounts now. The first entry will be passed, the trading account debit to opening stock, to purchase account, to wages, and the to carries inwards, and the other direct expenses, freight, etc. So this is the one first complete closing entry of your data. So then the second entry will be passed. That means the sales account debit to trading accounts. But sometimes the purchase returns may be here. If you are showing purchase returns and the sale returns, so that means the one additional entry you may have to pass. Like if it is sale returns, then trading account debit to the sale returns. Or if the purchase return is there, that means the purchase returns account debit to the trading accounts. After passing these entries, then you have to close the accounts, trading accounts, by transferring to the profit and loss. So the entry will be for the calculating the gross profit. You have to see the difference of the credit side and the debit side. If credit is more, then the answer is the gross profit. Otherwise, the if losses are more, that means gross loss. This loss give the informations of this profit and loss, gross profit, provide you the information, the covering of cost, and the profit remains to cover the other expenses. So that's why the entry is to close this account is trading account debit to profit and loss account. Or if loss is there, then profit and loss account debit to trading account. This is the closing entry of trading account. And these entries will be the first shown to the profit and loss account. Then the another entry for the profit and loss will start now. Trading is closed, so the entry will be passed. Trading account debits to the all the other expenses like rent, rates, salary, bad debts, etc. All the debit item will come to the trading profit and loss account debit to the indirect expenses. No, recurring expenses. In the same manner, go to the revenue side. The incomes, other income will be there. Then incomes will be debited with the name of interest received, commission received, dividend received, etc. to the profit and loss. Then the profit and loss account will be closed by passing the entries and transferring to the capital account. Then the for if profit is there, that profit is there, then an entry will be the profit and loss account debit to capital account. If loss is there, then capital account to profit and loss account. So it means the nominal account will be closed and the profit and loss derived from this will shift to the capital account. So I think this is the disclosure of the trading and profit and loss account as a part of the account, and the entries are associated with the both. Thank you.